Hello everyone, welcome back from Mentor English. Myself Professor Mershda. Today I want to share a very unique thing to you. This is onic SIM. You are having advertisement on your particular phones and particular WhatsApp groups and social media groups and apps. You can see here. So guys, this is onic plan, and if you want, see, there is a great personality with me by the name of respected ارشد چیمہ from Hafizabad, and he's working in onic from past 2 years, and since 2 years he is very much prestigious and very tidy in giving you the SIMs, particularly at your doorsteps. So please repeat your mobile number.
0306 746 tetra 0
746 tetra 0. This is the number, and I will give you the number in description too. So you can order your SIM, and if you have any problem regarding onic, if you have any problem in any inquiry, any query, any issue, any compulsion, any compilation regarding your onic SIM, you can contact by the particular number which is being spoken by respected ارشد چیمہ, and along with the description, the number is available inside the description. And I would like to request you that if your usage of mobile is up to 2000 minutes, up to 3000 minutes for all networks, so then you must use onic, because it gives you more than 30 GB data for a month and lot of plans according to your business, according to your privacy, according to your private life, according to your individual life, according to your industrial life, and according to your other official lives. So let me go now, and I would like to request you that please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Eddie, please say bye bye.
bye bye.